All right, we're gonna go into a Qigong warm-up. This can be done first thing in the morning. It's a daily practice or any time of day. We're gonna start by just relaxing the body, including your shoulders, including the shoulders. Hear your exhale, the sound of the H. Good. Rotate your wrists, rotate your ankle, other foot. Soften the hips and the knees, and we twist and breathe. So relax your ankles, hips and knees, and allow them to move freely. We hear our exhale, the sound of the H, sound of the heart. Releasing stress and tension out of the body. You can close your eyes and go inside and just breathe with ease. The more relaxed your breathing and your body, the better. Allowing the mobility of your joints. The twisting supports more circulation and energy flow through the body. Where our energy flows, our health thrives. Twisting the spine relaxes the body and mind. Your spine is your nervous system, the link between the body and mind. Soothing for the nerves, the repetition of movement. Long audible exhales. We're here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna follow by tapping over the mid back, low back, and back of the hips. And we'll just go up and down, mid back, low back, and back of the hips. Supporting more circulation through the body. Good, right to the back of the hips, and then open up your stance. Soften up the hips and knees, and we start to tap down the outer seams of the legs, following the meridians of our body. Natural energy intersections. We dissolve blocks, open up more flow. Down to the ankle bone, tapping up the inside. Good. Following meridians. Bring it all the way up to your lymph nodes. We have a condensed amount of lymph nodes in the groin, and we tap on them, boosting up our immune system naturally. Long exhales, calm inhales. Good. Bring the tapping up to your chest, thymus, collarbones, all around. Breathing in and out. So take a few breaths, long audible exhales. One of the first places stress and tension goes in the body is in your chest. It causes you to breathe shallow and short. You feel tight and stiff. We are transforming that stress and tension into chi, really healthy energy, vitality. Yes. At the same time, boosting up our immune system, tapping around the thymus. Yes. Down the inside of the left arm, we follow the meridians. Again, we're opening up more energy flow, tapping up the outside. Same family of acupressure and acupuncture. Now let's go ahead and release here at the top of the shoulders, the back of the shoulders. Right over an acupressure point. Just releasing stress and tension out of the body, allowing more flow and ease for the mind and body to communicate. Good, let's tap down the inside of the right arm. Everything's relaxed, the hips, the knees, our breathing, our shoulders, our jaw. Tapping down the inside, tapping up the outside, and release on the top of the shoulders and the back of the shoulders. We're just letting go. Allow your energy to flow freely, dissolving stress and tension. Good. Now let's go ahead and massage right over the shoulders, the neck, and the back of the head. Right over the back of the neck, head, and shoulders. We breathe. Good. Now reach back over the shoulders and drag forward over the acupressure points, transforming stress and tension into chi, healthy energy, vitality. Right up to the head, neck, and shoulders, and then you can go ahead all around the head, all points on the head, top of the head, side of the head. You cannot do this wrong. Whatever you do is right. Good. We get behind the ears, and then we go inside the ears. All the acupressure points. We wake up the whole brain and the whole body to sync up and communicate with greater ease. We get the ears, the earlobes, massaging back down to the neck and the shoulders, over to your left arm. Just relax and breathe. So we massage all the connective tissue and fascia beneath our skin, waking up the entire body. Everything is improved. Mobility, strength, flexibility. Good. Let's put some love and attention into the entire body. Your hands and your wrists. Over to your right arm. So this is soothing inflammation and supporting more circulation. Soothing inflammation and supporting more circulation. Every angle is a compliment. We wake it all up. Give it some love and attention. The top, the back, under, over, all of it. You're more than welcome to picture a color of light that you love. Pink, gold, white. You can have whatever color emanate from your hands into your body. We go right over the chest and the stomach. Good, nice breathing, long exhales to the sides of the body and to the back of the body. Mid-back, low back. You're gonna feel this is very nourishing. This feels safe, secure, comforting. Good. Because we are soothing the adrenals and the kidneys. Kidneys trigger fear, the adrenals stress. So we put some love and attention onto them, and we have peaceful signals now going through the body and mind, healing, healthy, replenishing your energy. Bring it down to the left side of your leg, and go ahead and just massage every angle of your left leg, up and down, front and back, top to bottom. Breathe with ease, relax your hips and knees, taking long exhales, keeping the shoulders and jaw light. Good, you're gonna do the same thing over to your right leg. So when you're naturally finished, just breathe, putting some love and attention into the whole body, soothing inflammation, supporting more circulation. Everything is improved. Adaptability in your body, strength, flexibility, mobility, circulation. Good. When you're done, we're gonna rise and we're gonna shake out our arms and our legs, shake out that energy. Good, now let's go ahead to your ankles. Let's be barefoot for this. A few circles. So do allow your heel to touch the ground, lower and lift. The mobility of your ankles supports the health of your entire body. Reverse. You can see the joints are interconnected, your knees, your hips, your back, everything is supported with that mobility at your ankles. Other foot. When we stand and walk around, balance and stability is right there at the feet, holding the entire body up. You can see that this is going to support balance, stability, and adaptability through your day, giving you the functional freedom that you desire. Good, and let's bring it to the hips. Opening up your hips. Your hips and spine are connected. The hips are the center of your body weight. So you're making circles, side, forward, side, and back. Feeling more space inside for your hips. The root of your legs live in the hips. Your spine's connected to the hips. You can go at a slower pace and just breathe with ease so it feels good and true in your body. Intentionally opening up more breathing room inside, more freedom, you feel better, you function better. Reverse your circles. This releases stress and tension out of the body as well. Good. Feels so good. Rotate your wrists and your ankles, shrug your shoulders. Softening the hips and the knees will slowly open up, going back. So allow your arms and shoulders to open slowly. The ankles and lower body also move freely. Your body is whole, it is one. The lower and upper body move freely. Long exhales, your breath to guide. Non-force, effortless, free, flow. Opening up. Good, now we follow forward. Again, the lower and upper body move as one. Good, and then we twist at the center of the spine, left to right, open across your heart, light through the shoulders. Relaxed at the hips, knees, and ankles. One more time, left to right. Shrug your shoulders back, sink your hips and knees, and then slow rotations for the head and the neck. Close your eyes, go inside and breathe with ease. Your spine meets about where your ears are, down to the tailbone. Gently opening up the top of your spine. Calmly breathing. And reverse. Soothing for the nerves. Soothing is renewing, replenishing energy for the body and mind. So you feel better inside and out. Good. Taking our hands, massaging the back of the head, neck, and shoulders. Good. It's a nice way to change your state and refresh perception so you feel more peaceful and more present. Change your state, clean your slate,